Hi, I'm Lexi and welcome to my garage, where I do DIY car repair and other fun projects. Have you ever been driving in the rain and even though your wipers are on, you still can't see past all the streaks, leaving you guessing where the road is? This may be a sign that you need new windshield wipers. Today, I'm going to replace the windshield wiper blades on a 2002 Ford Mustang. This is such an easy fix, so let's head out to the car. Here's what I'll be using. Windshield wiper blades specific to my vehicle model. Often there's a different blade size for the driver and passenger side. Your local auto parts store can help you find the correct ones for your vehicle. Safety glasses and gloves. Remove protective plastic cover from blade. Raise the wiper arm assembly away from the glass so you can access the blade more easily. Verify that you have the correct blade size for this side. Press on the release lever and slide the blade assembly out of the hook. Now slide the new assembly onto the hook until you hear it snap securely into place. If it's not securely attached, the blade could fall off during use. Repeat procedure with remaining blade. So that's an easy repair. New wipers will make your car feel like new and you'll be able to see again. To stay on top of this, change your blades about every 6 months. Now it's time to go cruising in my car. I'm so glad you stopped by today. You can contact me on my social media anytime. I love hearing about your latest DIY projects and always welcome your questions and comments. I look forward to hearing from you.